Hey guys, welcome back to Ceiling Fan Destruction number 74. What we see here today is this piece of crap freaking Progress lighting thing that I don't give two shits about. For some reason I got the light off and yet the still on somehow, but this was a nice fan in its day. But yeah, let's see what this thing will do. This fan's on a remote. Alrighty folks, so as you can see, that's as fast as it goes. Not really anything too special. I'm not going to be smashing this fan this round. I have my friend here, Han, gonna destroy it. Go to town, Han. Take it out.
That hurts your hands a little bit.
Yeah, swing at the blades. Oh, the light doesn't work no more. Yeah. Wait. Holy shit. God. God damn. Wow.
That's cute, wasn't it?
You alright?
Yeah. Use your
Holy
arrow.
cow. You.
Tell me whenever to stop.
No, keep going.
Deserves it.
You are demolishing that thing.
It hurt your hand. Yeah. Yeah, I beat it with a fucking bat, and then I come here and ting.
Ah.
I think I'm scared to use this thing.
It's not that bad.
360 spin.
Yeah.
You almost got it down. It's almost ready to come out.
I'm not left-handed.
Yeah, this
whatsoever.
thing ain't doing no more. Think you're finished?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, what?
Or you could take the crow. Yeah, that big red thing.
Well, I did not do anything. Oh,
Go?
do you still want to go? You still want to? You still want to keep banging on? Okay, okay, okay.
No.
No.
That hurts.
She's done.
Yeah.
We tried.
Yo, what is this? Oh, this is like pot metal. That's why it broke so easy. But yeah, she has absolutely demolished this. Nothing really left of it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that one, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.